All right. Hopkins comes up with the face-off. 22 seconds left in the kill. Hopkins comes up with the face-off. 22 seconds left in the kill. Rips a shot on Max. No problem. Rips a shot on Max. No problem. Back to the blue line. Gets a shot deflected up and over the net. Scott successfully killed that penalty. Oh. Wow, Max. Nice stretch there.
So she re-uploaded to a new stream.
Little House of Pain. The pain brings everything around. All right, Jameson's got a little. Brings everything around. All right, Jameson's got a little space up into the neutral. Chips it across to Soren. Soren's taking it deep. Hits the brakes. Shakes his man. Turnover. Wow. Rips a shot in there.
I just got volunteered to do this, so.
All right. Scots are battling. Quinn kicks it around.
I know you're just taunting Dylan when they get around the back. He's banging on a glass. Dylan's just hanging out.
Yeah, I know. I saw. It was just like, my biggest fear. I was going to eat the break on that fourth or fifth shot. Didn't even get one up. But he hasn't. So I'm like, all right, we made it through that. That was. Yeah, I think. I have.
That's where's she taking that? It'll be reshoot. Correct. I'm more looking.
Oh, I know. Well, that you can see it in this game too, where like we have the ability to do that we don't do it. We don't have that in the games, and so it's like you actually have it. Like it's just that extra like I don't know. I don't know why. Pete Bryce would say I did ask him. That's what I would say. It's like he goes, what I do is I want to get unlimited data, 90 days. I don't. He's like, that's like, okay. And he said, and then I want whatever makes more sense to the end of July. And be done. I want to be done. If you actually thought about that, then like getting because usually they're about fucking 5 feet in front of them. It's like worried about what they're going to do in the next 10 minutes, not like 10 days.
Not planning out the next 6 months.
No. Whatever. Hey, I heard a name on that. Yeah, I had thought about it. Oh yeah. She was going out late. Get right back. That's all you need there. She got there yesterday, yeah. It's good, man. She's, I'm assuming she got yeah. JFK. I was waiting for him to start doing it.
right there.
So it's like, what's worth it?
Right? Calle de Barcelo. That's not where. I can tell you right now. That's not where she sleeps.
I mean, yeah, the miners.
She sleeps down there.
It's 7 hours ahead. But that's about it.
She is at Teatro Centro de Baile.
Both of them were.
Club.
Both of them. Yeah, you got.
We grabbed dinner with CC.
Yeah, yeah. So this is you might have met him. This is my buddy Marty Hoff, John, David, Marty, Hoff, Rick, Victor.
Zeppelin show?
Yeah. He has his Zeppelin. Yeah. They only do like 2 times a year, but I get notified when they. This is fun to go see it. That's a problem. You learn your lesson after you do that once. I did that once, and I was like, it's always been fun. It's never been an issue. I need something that can be. That's nothing fun about that. No, wow. There you go. That's smart. You were just not. You were not. Jesus Christ. So, by the way, that was super sad about that. Like, he's like, doing what I was probably doing. You guys have what a fucking nice guy. Like the happiest dude. Big old smile. Like, nice guy. Yeah. Good guy. Yeah, just like that. Right, he remembers your name and like he's all like.
Did have a heart attack, and now we get bypass.
He's had a heart attack. I think he did. Isn't that where he was? Wasn't he in the portal? No.
He was in the portal.
So
I don't know that.
yeah.
I don't know all of the portal.
Andy told me or heard that that's why he was because he was in the portal because UNLV had a goal game. I think he was scared of it. I think he was just
Well, that's the portal.
They didn't realize that.
Came down in Texas, it's quarterback system.
Yeah.
Everybody left. And he was in the
First touchdown pass was in
You know, unless it's
get your eligibility back.
unless it's at least. You never know.
Mustaches for the photos, and they were pretty good. Like Jack,
Yeah, there's one up front that looks sweet.
Yeah, that's right.
so you can't grow mustaches. No, I mean, he's got it, but like he best aired it up to max.
Looks like he's up to something naughty.
It's like one of those baby like Jason Segels.
That looks rock solid.
See a lot of time out here.
He was second line, and then he moved to third line for a while. He moved to the center. So, the thing I don't like about it is like, depending on who else is center, he gets moved back.
I had a different bag. All right, we're back for the third period. Scots are down 0-3. We got a full bench, so we're going to play hard for the next 17 minutes. Jamison Nademacher steps up to the circle. Puck tossed it in the Hopkins zone. Hopkins comes up with it. Jamison battles on the board. They keep it deep. Blue line of Chatterjee whiffs on that one. Tries to reload. Hopkins comes up with it. Chatterjee holds his guy off. He's going to get called for interference. Hopkins goes on a 2-minute power play. Jamison back to the circle. Hopkins comes up with it. Back to the blue line. Mid-wall. Hopkins are taking their time. Shot chipped up over the net.
2 minutes for interference. Time of the penalty, 19 seconds.
Max puts a good save on there, kicks it out deep. Hopkins holds his zone. Evan ships down there. Quick shot on net. Jameson tries to clear. Back to the blue line. 1:20 left in the kill. Back to the blue line. Rips it through. Gets deflected. James caught a piece of that. Ship tosses it down ice. Line change. All right, Hobson's got some speed here. Felix holds his guy off. Heinrich keeps his man out. Keeping it deep. Hopkins drops it back behind the blue line. Centering pass gets disrupted. Evan Stokes battles it out into the neutral zone. Henry B tosses it in. Cross ice pass up into the neutral. Stokes bumps his guy. Hopkins takes it around the backside of the net, back to the blue line. Tosses it up. Max is right there. Nademacher back to the dot. Hopkins comes up with it. Back and forth. Centering pass. Tipped up into the slot. Max slaps his glove down. Hopkins comes up with it again. Mishandle. Jameson pushes his guy deep. Cale Rickson holds the offensive zone for a second. Puck's out. All right, Heinrich to the circle here. Stokes is battling it. Hopkins comes up with it, takes it back to gather offensive strategy. Skates it up, takes it deep, comes around the backside, drops it to the slot. Soren holds it out. Soren kicks it into the offensive zone. Hopkins comes 3-on-2. Chatterjee holds his guy out. Bruin pickpockets his man, kicks it up to the blue line. A little battle behind the net. Chatterjee takes a hit, but he stays on his feet. Scott's come up with it. Up to Ship. Ship kicks into the neutral zone. Stokes makes a steal, just tosses it for his line change. Icing. All right, Lorene to the face-off dot. Scott's come up with it. Isaac takes a big hit. Hopkins called for an interference penalty. Can't quite tell what the call was. Felix drops one in, gets it in.
2 minutes for interference. Time of the penalty, 341.
Hopkins does get called for interference. Jameson to the circle. Scott's come up with it. Chipping and chipping. Henry B tries to hold it deep. Puck trickles out. No icing on that. Felix tries to get up ice, gets his pick pocketed. Max just covers it up.
Not necessarily score necessarily.
Rademacher to the circle. Scott's come up with it. Chatterjee dishes it around up to Ship. Ship cross ice pass to Rickson. Rickson back to Ship. Ship enters the zone. Rips one through. Hopkins comes up with it, tosses it around the corner. Varun holds the zone. Varun flicks it in. Can't quite get it deep to the net. Hopkins comes up with it. Chatterjee pokes that puck out into the neutral. Varun settles things down for Stokes. Stokes steps up the board, takes a hit, keeps it in the neutral, kicks it. Can't quite get it past the blue line. Soren comes up with it. Soren cross ice pass. Scott's got to tag up. Bruin tosses it into the offensive zone. Soren puts a check on his man. Puck comes out. No icing on that again. Chatterjee heads up ice. Passes to Heinrich. Heinrich gets around his guy. Back to blue line. Chatterjee settles it down, rips it through.
Hopkins filtering.
Even strength, 11-17 left in the third period. 3-0. Scots are still down. Brennan McMahon steps up to the circle. Back to the blue line. Felix fires one through. Goalie deflects up into the netting. Felix holds the blue line. Brennan tosses it deep down. Isaac tosses it back behind the net. Felix slows things up in the neutral. Brennan's battling in the neutral. Brennan comes up with it after a little help, tries to chip it in. Alex creates a turnover, centering pass. Felix almost had a good redirect goal there. Hopkins comes up along the boards, centering pass. Varun tries to slow things up. Max tosses it into the boards. Kanan tries to get up ice. Hopkins disrupts. Felix holds his guy out. Net comes off the ice. All right, Lorena, the face-off circle. Scott's come up with it. Up around the boards. Quick shot on net. All right. Battle in the offensive zone. Julian tries to slow things up with the check. Hopkins walking through. Can't quite get it out.
We lost our principal. They moved it out of school.
Back to the blue line, rips it through. Max brushes that one aside. Tries a centering pass. Lorene can't quite get a handle on that. Quick, easy shot. Max deflects. Hopkins a stretch pass. Tosses it in the offensive zone. Henry B tries to get it out. Gets stopped at the half wall. A little butterfly shot. Glove save. Tied up at the face-off dot. Hopkins comes out with it. A lot of sticks in there. Scott's created a turnover. Kale's looking to get it up ice. Just chips it in. Heads to the corner. Jameson back there. Hopkins creates a turnover. Centering pass. Hopkins walks it down into the corner. Centering pass. Can't quite connect. Big rip, big whiff. Ship shakes his guy. Jameson walks up ice. Pass cross ice to Kale. Glove saved by the goalie.
Oh, you want to know? Oh no, they're not supposed to.
All right, Scott's come up with the face-off deep in the corner. They got a battle for possession, though. Soren came to clean house. Back into the Hopkins zone we go. Hopkins comes up. Felix tries to hold his guy out, does his job. Puts a check on his man. Gets tied up. Back to the blue line. Mid-ice. Tries the center. Stokes comes up with it. Stokes takes it down along the boards. Takes a hit, but he gets it deep into the zone. Puts a big check on his man. Heinrichs holding it deep. Puck trickles out. Hopkins comes up with it. Good turnover. Back into the neutral zone they go. Hopkins dumps it in on net. Maroon settles things down, throws it, turnover. Hopkins comes up with a clean. Scott's hold the slot. Alex cross ice pass gets picked off. Trying to get some offensive going. Brennan throws it to the offensive zone. Cross ice pass. Maroon picks that one off. Kanan's trying to hold that guy off. Chatterjee. Alex can't quite grab that one. Jacob puts a big hit on his guy. A lot of action, a lot of back and forth. Battle in the neutral zone. Hopkins tries to come out. Henry B holds on to it. Whipped it up. Kale gets some room. He heads up ice. He tosses it in. Gets his centering pass. Evan Ship heads into the corner. Hopkins comes up with it. Jameson bumps his guy off. Hopkins back in the offensive attack. Henry B takes his guy to the corner. Back into the neutral. Icing. All right, Heinrichs to the face-off circle. 4:42 left in the third period. Oh. A lot of people looking at the puck slide across the slot. Centering pass chipped up. Max comes up with another good save. Heinrich takes the face off, holds onto it, shakes it. Soren kicks it in the neutral zone. Hopkins comes up with it. Heinrich pushes his guy off the plate. Will Chatterjee heads into the corner, tries to scooch up the boards, gets into the neutral, dumps it. Evan Stokes heads down into the corner, ties things up. Scott's trying to hold at the blue line. Chatterjee drops it back in. Chatterjee chips it back into the offensive zone. Hopkins comes up with it. Tosses that for a line change. Henry B hard down there. Chatterjee holds his guy off. Jameson's pass up to Kale. Kale cross ice to Ship. Ship back to Kale. Kale quite can't connect with that. Felix holds his guy off. Ships back off into the offensive attack. Hopkins creates a turnover. Hopkins comes up with some speed. Ooh, Max, good save, good save. Scott's come up to face off. Felix is back behind the boards, behind the net. Gets it up to Isaac. Isaac can't hold on to that one. Hopkins creates a turnover. Henry B kicks it back into the neutral zone. Henry B throws it back into the neutral zone. Puck deflected off of Brennan. We're back and forth in the neutral. Henry B gathers things up. Big hit there. Too much battling. Hopkins comes up with it. Four to nothing with 1:50 left in the third period. Lorena the face-off circle. Gets tied up. Dumped in the off Scott zone. Chatterjee is into the boards. comes up with it. Hopkins digs a turnover. Nope, Scott's.
For the Royals at 15-10.
Scots hold this offensive zone. Soren gets crossed up there. Stokes takes his guy off the plate. Hopkins tosses it into the offensive zone. Chatterjee back in the corner. Tries to chip it out. Rips it through. .9 seconds left to go. Cale Rickson tries to be his guy. He gets some space. Oh! Gets his goal on a breakaway, unassisted. 4-1. Removes the shutout from the stat book. Nademacher takes a face-off. Scott's come up with it. Henry B kicks it up to Cale. Jameson tosses it back around the corner. Rickson dropped it back to the blue line. Felix rips a slap shot. Goalie makes glove save. 33 seconds left. Back to the blue line. Felix settles things down. Turnover. Max comes out to play it, settles it down, fires it up. Into the neutral. Battle in the corner as time winds down. Felix is just holding things on. Redden comes in and puts a little check. Stop the clock at 1.7. Brennan's getting called for a cross check, perhaps.
Minor penalties been assessed to the Scots number 14, Brendan McMahon.
That's it. 4-1.
Boy, that was a rough game.
There's no way to do it. Except pick this up, we'll try. But, I mean, you